Augmented matrices could also be found in word problems. So we're going to read this word problem and create some linear equations and then change it to a matrix so then we can solve it on the calculator. So Max Butler has been pricing Speed Pass train fares for a group trip to New York. 3 adults and 4 children must pay $85. 2 adults and 3 children must pay $60. Find the price of the adult ticket and the child's ticket. All right, so we're going to say A is our adult price, our adult ticket, and then we'll do C for the child ticket. So let's look at the first line. It tells us we have 3 adults, right? 3A, plus our 4C for children. They are going to pay how much? $85. And then for our next line, it tells us we have 2A, so 2 adults, plus in that group, there are 3 children, and they paid $60. So now let's make our matrix. We have the top A is 3, 4, and then 85. And the bottom equation, we have 2, 3, and 60. So now let's go to our calculator and do second matrix. Go over to math, go down to RREF, then click on alpha zoom, and it's at 2 rows, yep, and then it's 3 columns, but if you need to change yours, you need to use the arrows. And then once you got 2 rows, 3 columns, click enter, and you'll see the columns there. Type in our matrix, so 3, and then use your arrow to shift over. Then we have 4, and then 85 for the first one. And at the bottom, we have 2 adults, then they had 3 children, and that was 60. And so here's our final answer. 1015 and then 01. All right, so let's look at it. So here was our answer, 1015 and then 0110. So remember that first column was A's, the second was C, and then for child, and the last was our solution. So the top number under the A is 15, so our adults are $15. And then the second one, the one is under the C, so that's for child, and so the child was $10.